What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everyone's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 90 cents, down 2% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 7.75 billion. 24-hour volume really low, guys. 209 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $30,000 in bonuses once you make your first deposit. You can email me your sign up email, all links in the comments in the description, and I will give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the charts. So far for Matic, we're getting rejected once again. Now, it could still be potentially that this is a wave 4. We come up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This was a 3. Still correcting in a 4. But if we lose 0.877 as support, the 0.5 then invalidates the chances of this being a wave 4 and pushing up in a wave 5. And we can focus on my bearish wave count. That all of this was a wave 2 pullback where we came down here. Let me make it more visible. I know it can look a little bit confusing sometimes. Put it up to sub-micro. So what we're looking for is coming down in a wave C, where we're looking at all of this as a wave 1, pushing up in a wave 1. You came down in a wave A, wave B, looking to come down in a wave C. Within a wave C is 5 waves. So we have our red wave count here, which is a wave 1 into a wave 2, looking to come down in a wave 3. Within that wave are 5 waves. Let me grab my brush so everything is more visible here. So here's your wave 1. That's your wave 2 pullback, looking to come down into wave 3. It's been my primary count, but if we do push up in a wave 5, it will invalidate that, and that is still on the table. As I mentioned, if we lose 87 cents, 0.877 as support, it invalidates that opportunity, and that's when you can come down for a wave 3 that could take you all the way down to 60 cents. Now, to simplify things here, on this chart, we were looking for a larger head and shoulders, left shoulder head, potentially put in a right shoulder. But as you can see right here, we have a smaller head and shoulders, and the target is all the way down here at about 50 cents. So just keep an eye on that. We continue to get rejected by this major level here, the point of control at about 92 cents. We're continuing to fail to break it here. There is still an opportunity for Ethereum to push up with our wave count. Let me pop it open here. So what I was looking at is that we pushed up in a wave 1, pulled back in a wave 2, looking to push up in a wave 3. So you have your wave 1 of the wave 3, wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in the wave 3 of the wave 3. And within that is 5 waves. So potentially you could be looking at a wave 1 and a wave 2 pullback. As you can see on this chart here, we are continuing to get rejected by this downsloping trend line. We'll see if this support holds and we can break out, but as of right now, we have a double top pattern, which I show you guys on this chart right here, or a triple top. So if this neckline breaks, we'll quickly drop in 1217. If it breaks, as you can see, we can't seem to break through the 1290 point of control. That's when you could come down to 1136, and that's when you'll see that continuation to the downside, in my opinion. Where you'll start to come down in the wave 5, the final wave of the Elliott wave count. If we zoom out here, we're looking at an ending diagonal into a wave 5. So we come down in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This was a wave 3 here, looking to push up in the wave 4. And potentially, if we do roll over here, then the wave 4 will be complete and coming down in a wave 5. But there is still an opportunity to push up, so just be very cautious if you're trading here. There is still an opportunity to push up and push all the way up to the trend line of the descending broadening wedge, which is coming in, well, it would be pushed over a little bit, coming in about 1428. It's not looking great in my opinion. I mean, the fact that we just continually get rejected, it's showing weakness in my opinion here. But you never know. The whales like to surprise you and push the price up when everyone thinks the price is going to drop. So until we lose 1232, there is still that opportunity. But once that level is broken, in my opinion, especially if we come down and lose 1215, then what I'd be looking at here is that the wave 4 is complete and you're looking to come down in that final wave 5. We'll see how it plays out. In the short term here for Matic, the price to watch is 87 cents. If that support is lost, it invalidates that as a wave 4, and you can focus on that downside continuation. And if we do bounce from here, then you can push up in a final wave 5, possibly come retest this rising wedge. I'm leaning a little bit more to the downside, but I definitely could be wrong. It could definitely go either way at this point. We'll have to see how it plays out and just trade accordingly. All right, gang. Hopefully that's helpful. If it is, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to Bybit, grab up to 30,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit, and then you can email me your sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals, which can be very helpful in your trading journey. It's the price of a Netflix membership. Definitely worth checking out. You can sign up to the Patreon. All links in the comments and in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.